One. Oh, my bad.
Recording?
Yeah. See? Just peanut butter. Let's start with that.
Alright, we need a spoon now. Alright. Here's this much. I've got more than you.
But your spoon's smaller.
No, it's not. Okay, you ready?
I hate peanut butter. And
That's even.
it's not.
Look at it.
It smells bad.
Oh. Can I get
Why do people enjoy this?
Oh.
I don't know if it's like coming out of my mouth or if it's like.
I think it's kind of stuck. It's like a dog.
Just bitter. Oh, why did I put that?
Okay, now we're gonna go to.
We gotta do cinnamon fast. Not too much because it burns.
Oh! No, this stuff hurts.
No, we got it. No!
That's a lot of cinnamon. Oh, it's not going down! Ah!
I'm about to do it, okay?
No, wait for me.
Hurry up. Hurry up, she's about to get out of the car.
Ah!
Okay, ready? No!